Now, may I request Mr. Partha Karmakar from Havels once again to announce a second winner in this category of the Next Generation Leader of the Year award.
Ladies and gentlemen, this evening we have continuing the Next Generation Leader of the Year award category. We have another award winner. He is Mr. Amit Kalyani, the Deputy MD, Bharat Forge Limited. Congratulations, Mr. Amit.
Thank you, Mr. Partha, for announcing the winner. Now, to quickly introduce Mr. Amit Kalyani. He is the Deputy Managing Director at Bharat Forge Limited, a part of the Pune-based Kalyani Group. Mr. Amit Kalyani has been involved with driving the group's strategy and in the execution of its diversification over the past decade. He is also responsible for finance and M&A. His key focus now is on nurturing talent and developing new skills within the organization, strategizing and driving growth in new areas and products. Mr. Kalyani has a special interest in CSR projects and philanthropy. He strongly believes in giving back to the society and uses his personal time and resources in projects related to education and healthcare. He especially loves to spend time with youth to guide and mentor them. With this, I would love to have Mr. Amit Kalyani on screen accepting this award.
I'm most grateful and honored to accept the Next Generation Leader Award by the ITP Editorial Board at the 9th Annual Manufacturing Today Conference. It's a great honor to be counted amongst such distinguished ranks as the past leaders. I want to thank everyone in the Bharat Forge team and the Kalyani Group, and especially my mother, my father, and my wife and kids, and all my colleagues and friends and well-wishers who made this day happen for me. Thank you, and this will inspire me to keep working to do better as we go forward.
Many congratulations to you, Mr. Amit Kalyani, and congratulations to your company and the team supporting you in this initiative too.